鳩や野鳥に餌を与えないでください。
Hato is pigeon. Yachou means wild bird. Ya is used to list multiple items as examples and implies that the list is incomplete. Hato ya yachou, pigeons and wild birds. Hato ya yachou ni, to pigeons and wild birds. Esa is animal feed. Ataeru means to give something to someone of lower status. In this case, it's being used for pigeons and wild birds. Esa o ataeru, to feed or to give animal feed. Ataenai, to not give. And ataenaide is a request, don't give. Adding kudasai makes the request more polite, similar to using please in English. Esa o ataenaide kudasai, please do not feed. Please do not feed pigeons or wild birds.
鳩や野鳥に餌を与えないでください。ポイ捨て禁止。
Poiste means littering or carelessly tossing away. Poi is onomatopoeia for carelessly throwing or tossing something. And ste comes from steru, to throw away. Kinshi means prohibition. Poiste kinshi, littering is prohibited.
ポイ捨て禁止。出口、ここからは入れません。
Deguchi is exit or way out. Koko means here. Koko kara, from here. Hairu means to enter. Haireru, can enter. And hairemasen is a polite way to say can't enter. Koko kara wa hairemasen, you can't enter from here. Exit, you can't enter from here.
出口、ここからは入れません。